Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Hello, na good evening from Untouchable Mama. Una day. Also, na dey enjoy. Una weekend. May I first play music first. May we celebrate Obaseki. Now they use like they go Abuja. Okay. May I first talk to a parent amigo. You get one video where he do. Tina 2 days ago, abi 3 days ago, I see the video where they thank our king say he give Tony Kabaka land. Parent amigo, may I tell you one thing. I don't know as I'll talk to you. Where you go listen, where you go hear. Me, you know what me I they call you, eh? You be AKA. No maje do, no emi na we do. Now you be. No maji see, no emi na we see. Okay. This thing one they talk about this Oshomole Obaseki, this one. Why you can't they see they put our king again? Say he give Tony Kabaka land because of something where he lost Gbagbo and enemy. I don't know what how you say they do something. Me, I don't know. Eh? Wetin concern our king now? When they carry mavu where Omobe, wetin concern because he give her land. Wetin I don't even know. Wetin anything where they tell you, you must call social media, come talk am. Eh? Whether na true or whether na lie, or later you come dey say na wrong information. More na no verse, na the wrong information where they give me. Now make me see brigand come. He can't I first tell you, I say, unu na agwesi me ene because you way brigand we can't talk and come out. Now your mat never for year. Because now your mat let me see year. I think na yesterday, be day before yesterday. When they thank our king say he give Tony Kabaka land. The land now so he big where for the hotel where he lost. And no me go mind the way we take they talk. If your mat never carry you go where you not supposed go, you not go rest. Eh? That one not for your own. Because all these big boy where they talk, me I don't tire. Everything where they tell you now you carry con. Now you carry con talk. Whether na something where they talk for secret or what you go carry con. Call broadcaster for. I beg may you leave our king alone, eh? La wo go say man la wo not carry and come put for inside this nyamati one that they do for social media. Come put her for inside politics. I go block you, Scott. Wait till they call you. I must block you. Me and your carry you come on for here. Because now you be mumu. I don't want I block you because I don't need people like you. Eh? And people like you, they tell you that no me go me. You know, say and I say me, I don't even block you. If you know, if you are not gonna let her go Nigeria because of it talkie. Ununi egwe. Ununi egwe. What did they send our plus? What did they not send? I go come talk her for social media. They send you no. You say me you help and beg and can't tell you say me you can't do it for social media. Now your own name they talk for. Because I know what I see I see enemy no magic see no emi now we see working no social media now you be you not go but you know everything what they do for that side. I bet my people now not say me I know me that one me I just come out that one because now make me put the picture because wait till I just hear and now say wait till costly concern you Tony Kabaka our father give her land he give her big land because of your hotel where they destroy. Eh? He say may you weapon, may you take her, you carry across social media. Now true or not be true, now you still talk. Eh? Now everything that they call the carry come from social media call they talk. Eh? Okay, that one if now really say give her land, he say may you take her. He can't tell you say you carry across social media. The politics where they do they just they do that one. No carry our king come. Now so now still they do as small. Una can't carry come. You can't sit there for social media. Just stop. What stop? What package? What so done here? What they do now? Wait till now they do. So that one for that one. My brothers and sisters. You know, I celebrate with Godwin Obaseki. I celebrate with her. Now, no waiting, eh? Yawa agbao iwe gwe avie. You understand? Agbao iwe gwe avie. This This our governor, he try not be small thing. He try not be small thing. If una say not try, that one na for una own. But for my own, he try well. The time where, if una remember, the time where no more than like sit, now Iranomigo use until they, now use until they sing for social media. He just awa da mwela o. Now so Iranomigo use until they sing for every corner. Now so it be this one. Now so it not be this one. Now so it not do this one. Now so it take until they sing. No okay ya go wagmoye ban. No okay ya go. The man try well. Before Oshomole can they use, can they do it? If you now watch on that time where Godwin Obaseki dey for post, now Oshomole na they tell na what he go do. He can't be like this thing, remote control. Obaseki, what they call now? Oshomole the remote go carry and go this side, go. If you carry and go this side, go this side. If you can't the remote time, you can't be like saying nah Oshomole na still there for governor. If you na say na like mona go watch some video. If then they even they talk, now Oshomole they tell them what he go talk. Mona go watch. The man try. Some people they say, if person do good for you, no bitter for the good. Joy ya bitter way. Now we say no man area wa na una area wa. Na this one be so. No we say no ma. O Maria wa na we na gidori wa. Now this Oshomole with Obaseki na be. Because okay, you do good for me. Leave me, may I suffer, they do and they go. When I work here, it can't be like now you can't they control, now you can't they tell them what you go do, what you not go do. And I so much believe say Governor Obaseki, he thought say no go share money, now make them they beat time. Now the truth, you know say now money now they cost quarrel for anywhere at all. Now money not be anything. I been a cloth, say give me cloth, me I wear. No, now money matter. The time where Tony Kabaka say an irrigation. Una no know say na that one be the work say follow Obaseki work. Now it be the work when say follow Obaseki work. I read the election, so you can't win. What you promise me, you know what give me. Now the truth, I mean no time, mama. We nobody go come and make talk. It's just the truth. If you not go, they wash and they corner no say, you walk follow. Which work you walk follow? You read because now if you use the man to talk and say, in a ring election, when Obaseki come enter post, like say, all this money me I just give you, I know they give you. Because you can say all this money, I just can't give one person. I know they give you. I go suffer take and say they do what I supposed to do. Now kata come boss. Now they say under the mango tree. You don't they carry our money, they shop and nyaga. Oh, Shomole way carry our money now. Iranomigo even tell us say you see the whether na hotel, whether I don't know what he built for, whether na for he stayed for that. No Iranomigo manari home. You know what? One thing where I don't like what Iranomigo they do. It too they do like Age Baba. And I know that Age Baba, that share where Baba take the bab people head. You know say that they roll land up and down. You roll land go this side, roll land. Now so Iranomigo they do. You go turn go this side. Now if I tell us say Shomole, see what you Shomole want do. Now if I tell me I don't understand that. Sometimes you go there this side. Maybe you go just see come out, you go come this side again. You know they stay from one place. Now that one might be the problem. When me now make me I stop to the looker because if as they share the video I just see where they talk about our king now say no go there. Now some people they talk say now Obaseki anyhow way be if you help me I help you now be the insult you understand Obaseki fair helper or Shomole can't helper it no matter. Anyhow, it good. But the way they can't do now be the bad thing where they do. Not be blood they work for a body. When Oshomole carry a come, you can't say oh he paper me I play the song to say me I see him. Because all these people they can lie. Oh me I see whether I go see the video. If I see and play, if I not see no problem. Be like saying be this one. I'm not just listening because all these people they too lie. Oh, Gogiya, Emma, I'm making a mudiaji. Mona wait.
By the special grace of God, who read the heart, who knows the heart of man, who knows the past and the future, who knows the beginning and the end. He sees what you don't see. He knows what we don't know. He knows that Godwin finished his secondary school. He went to University of Ibadan. He finished. There were no issues. Fly colors. He went to US. He did his masters. He came back home. He started helping people to set up businesses, to manage businesses. He helped to set up many banks, including several first generation, second generation banks. Then he came home to give support to me, to bring on board what I do not have. Because I am not a finance man, and he became the chairman of our economic team. So, everything we have done, the road from Abra to Zenema, Godwin had hand. The road from here to Uboha, Godwin has hand. The schools here, Godwin has hand. The water everywhere, Godwin has hand. He has been part of the tradition. He knows the vision. He knows the mission. He knows the target. He knows where we are. He knows the challenges, and he knows how to overcome them. To deliver all that he has promised, he will do. It's a family tradition to keep our word. That is what APC represents. The only thing I forgot is that even with the economic crisis, today there are many local governments can't afford salaries because of the drop in price and the destruction of our pipelines. Samobo, I was here when we commissioned the market for Uromi market women. Correct or not? Now you just ask me. Come on now. You just ask me. What can Yakubu say is his outstanding accomplishment when he was local government?
Until now, yeah, my people, Now, yeah, the way we take praise Obaseki, he praise he go school, he do this one. He go for America, he do the other one. Okay, you know, see all these people, when he comes in say Obaseki no bring money, you know, say 4 years now, 4 years now, one complete. So you know bring money, you know what bring money. Okay, we know where we for attack you. Whether Obaseki paper correct or he not correct or that one not concern me. But now show me the every guy say everything correct. If you not say not correct, why you carry a con? But you carry a con. When you can't see say the man talk say the money we not go share am. We want use that to repair those states. Now then I become the gas because say not go school. You know see as they lie. All these people they too they lie. That be the problem when we get with all these politicians. They too lie. If you wanna just watch a parent or me gonna, you go this side, you go that side. You go the other side, go the other side. You not they be the same. They be the same. You understand? So wetin Oshomole do to Obaseki was very bad. Emma, because me, I be obvious say. You understand? I be obvious say. I know if you talk say whether he walk or he no walk or me I not there for that one. But wetin they do this man is very bad. It's very bad. When Tony Kabaka called the talk say he walk follow am because you know one thing. Bini they take and make parable say Oma bunse ogbodafin ero yeye ogbowiogwe na be Tony Kabaka o. I go see the talk until tomorrow. If me I get that hotel for that Bini, that big hotel where you get for Bini, wetin I defend they go. Oma bunse on your ogbodafin. Na he make am because you know when you too greedy. God go say now my phone wow. I go make sure say I remove that thing for you. I mean you know as it be. You don't know the value. You understand? Wait till you see the fine. You need money, more money. Because me I see the talk and say, which work you work? Follow Shomole. Me see the talk until next tomorrow. Say, you work for 8 years, follow Shomole. You gonna sakwa. How you take sakwa? How that money, how you take get that money? Nobody they ask. Because our country, you do what you like. Nobody they ask you. If not here, you go come talk am as you take get am. How you work for 8 years, follow person. You go sakwa the area. No, you go talk as you take get am. Oma bunse no gbodafin ero yeye ogbowi ogwe. Na be Tony Kabaka o. If you like it, take am. If you not like it, not take am. Many people dey, if they dey for your position, wetin concern and concern, I work follow Obaseki. You for still get your thing now. You for still get your hotel for there. Nothing go touch am. You will know say where you for get that money, not clean. Una do making noise. And come they make noise. They insult governor under the mango tree. If they do the money, they share and they do and they do. If they share and where share and go, una don't see the heart. Because normally, if really say Obaseki use our money and here, una for don't see bring and come. We for don't see here for Eranomigo for don't see talk and say, see what your Obaseki don't build for itself. Una here and no because na Eranomigo na be no majedo no emi na oredo. No majesty, no women now war. Now they carry all the information they carry come. Una understand? Now they carry and they come. Una for don't see here now because na money go na if still tell us say Oshomole use our money to build estate for a place. Na in mat now we for see here now. But for Obaseki you now, una never bring out come and say see what he do, see where he use the money to build the whole house. You know day. That means the man they work small. If they work, if they do it, okay, good. May continue to do it. Una say no, you must bring that money come. Una say una go carry Izeyamu come. Izeyamu na si bini. Okay, good. He never enter. But why Tony Kabaka come join? Ovie going on a hobby say it's bad. It's very, very bad. You work for one. You say not give una work. Which work you want make can't give you? Talk am. Like Tony Kabaka, you not be youth again. You don't your mind. May you clear road for people where they come. May you clear road. You not be youth again. You don't be a dioma. Not be you again. May you clear road. May other people, all those youth, may they come out. Una thank you. Una no say I don't dey tomorrow they recommend me. I not on there because I just see me. I just wait. I want to talk. I just talk. I'm gonna do where they see the comments. I bet more I not put any hard comment like that one where just come. I don't block that one. I don't even get time. Una no say I know they do all bar or it not go bar. But as they say do Obaseki me I not like her. I must talk and say it not good. If Obaseki win no for this one where they come good. If you not still win good. But as they say do it not good. It good when they talk the truth. Many people for that Benin, if you ask them, say they want vote for, they'll say now Obaseki, then go come back again. Now so that they talk, many people when me don't ask, this a lot, they will say now Obaseki, many day. Okay, see what your Obaseki do now. I see what that one for video. One woman wait there for market. He said now 2005, then they pay for ticket. He said when Obaseki come, they pay 500 naira. Only me that one not be something way good because I believe say that time if they not get 2005 you know say that they seize they'll seize their load though. They will carry their load. All these with people I know as they say they do that you not get the money okay they'll seize your load then you can't claim her for their office that 2005 who you will pay age. That one not be good thing. So women go there, go market. You know, go even know whether I go see 2005 carry go house. But when don't add this with people when they come there, you must pay the money. If you not pay now, you know they'll close your store or seize your way till you get. You go bail and you go bail for their hand. I might say try. If you not try, okay. Now, that one now everybody know say anya way omeseti we me no jagmo ya. Not the way you go even though may you go do this one go reach heaven ahead. They'll say you not still try. That one are normal thing. Even when Oshomole that time Oshomole come, everybody come now show baba. That one are normal thing. But later they say no work. Now so it be. Now so it be. So what did they do Obaseki? It not good. When Oshomole say no more Godfather, no more Gbogbo, but later because Tony Kabaka don't they put Orise or Kanyo I walk follow you. Oshomole because that one are waiting me I believe. Because now Tony Kabaka. Because say I walk follow you. You see Obaseki no want bring my money come. Obaseki no want pay me. I walk follow one. Now me make and I win. Because say no one bring the money come. Egbene do Oshomole. Now make Oshomole come they do boo every year. Obaseki bring money come Obaseki say he mure I not they bring. I not go bring gun this money I not go give una. I want use that to do what I want do. Nah. Oshomole say Obaseki not go school. That time if I go school, nah, not can go school. You not see? Shame and disgrace. You not see una. Tony Kabaka go look for something to they do. You not be youth again. You not be youth. You work. However, now you cause your own. Now you cause your problem. You blame yourself. Now you cause your problem. Because person will get that. Oh, one hotel no ye na me ati e gbebe ba ni hotel do. What you see they find they go. You dey find more. You dey find more. Now it cause all this one so. Like I say, you just all this thing because not be only you want work follow follow Obaseki. But now your mouth to put what they say. All those other people will see work for them. They close their mouth because well you say now you want carry your chest go front. Now it cause all this thing because they hear your name well. They hear your name up and down. But you know say me this thing I withdraw for them. You go just come and you go come they insult a governor of Edo State. Even this year I'm no me go say when see they do. I fear not let them do it for America. If you try I they damn way. You are free to criticize. That one a normal thing. Criticize them. Since now Obaseki why are no me go oya sun ale wetin never talk for the body. You go try for America. You know try You try you they'll jail you. Because all this nothing way no call area one na area when enemy area me winner nothing way another tell this man a whole governor of Edo State waiting I go to our politics but you still give him that respect no me go turn outside down waiting not tell this man if you try and for where you there for there you know say you go enter jail because no maje do no me now we do na aka no maji see no me now we see later I go come still tell una say more na no verse na wrong information a whole big man but now your mouth now we for the year everything so wetin they do this man was no I want my waiting after una no see say he no wan share the money una come say he no go school he no go school he no fit dey that position but why he can't dey that position for 4 years. Why if I did there? Why if I did there? Because when this is a yamu where the one carry con now they don't tell us if you enter that one say no problem. I go share the money. I go do as soon as like no problem. I make that one say in the con. This what is that they call Oshomole, me I don't know whether I even get the party. I know say me I not there for inside, but small thing where me they see because they fair suspend them before they can't still come again. This one now they can't still suspend them again. I beg. Obaseki must carry he must finish the kind where Oshomole dey. Fear not let anybody cough. Fear not they let them they cough. You know say person way too quiet now. Na normal thing na so they do. But what Obaseki do, I really like him. He come up for there, say na carry on a party they go. Even Nijawu, he go the other side because you know say all these parties they just they call them party. They are all the same. That one a normal thing. They are all the same. He say even Nijawu, mona carry go. He enter another side. They welcome her. See the welcome today. I put her for my this thing. I still put her for my page for there. Anyhow, if Obaseki he win a gay or good, even not win a gay or good, not be that one. Now go say me Obaseki may not eat or may not do, but God knows say in they do wetin they do. You know say Obaseki no fit talk say see wetin dey happen. Now because I not share the money, now make them they beat me for inside body. They beat her for inside body They beat her for inside body. Because he no share money. Let's say share money. All of them for the clap for now. Now good governor. Now he go come for second time again. Because he can't open eye say all this money they'll just give only one person. No. I'm more normal. Like Tony Kabaka now. How much you take build that your hotel? You say you work. We will date this abroad where they work morning and evening to night. My make be hotel ni. We not get that kind of hotel. If you see person wey get that kind of hotel, you know say maybe no ya me here. I bet me with the talk true. Why one we him not just carry our money now? Una use us una like. Now we dey suffer for this side. Now make our country still be as it be. Let's say our country go. I think we for come. I think we for their house. We for they enjoy. Una one person will just sit down for the money. Go just the chopper. He with the family. Like the other day, I see the video where Tony Kabaka do. I be one make audio now. Say me I just forget her. He say na tura na infected the bath. Na clean. Na into the bath. You're all good. Some people they na soda. Na they take the bath. Whether you dey the soda self, they fit pour water for body like that. Come up for them. Una all don't do. I do family. More na carry una self. More na carry go one corner. We no need una again. Mona carry on herself go one corner. We no need una again. Una all done too much for that Benin. Guanta wu, amave guanta wu. Wetin? Now just carry you say when I over here go now, you can't follow your own Benin. You dey push on. You do because you not bring money come. Me dey talk now money na be problem. Money. Tony Kabaka no come tell una say not be money. He go tell you now say work for long. I work for long. I do this one for long. Which work you work for long? You not tell us. You for tell us now. Say see work where I work for long. You rig election for now. Now that one might be work where you do. Okay, maybe they can't give you how much billion because now you get that Benin. Now our money now not fit the chopper. As Obaseki say, we not go share the money. Good, Obaseki. I praise you for that one. As you not bring the money come and make them share. You be good governor. You know what good for that. What good. How they will share the money. See our country as it be. Carry on. 4+4, it go back. Because me, I not feel they do 4+4, but I can't see many things. They think many things. Waiting. You know what bring money come. Una want just kill the enemy. Say una must kill them. Wait the money now, una not go see again. Or phone. Or phone. Good evening. Or phone. Why would it be me? No more Godfather. No more Agbeo. See, as if you reach a ring road, if you see as if fine ring road there, if you not say that no me go not go house. Or my Joe, now what is that they tell now? Now that one they son me for it's on your son in me way. Joe or my Joe, if they just turn and just call and now say, Obaseki, nene, you go just call you go just run what is that they call run social media. Obaseki is not working. Obaseki don't do this one. You not go. You not see your brother that day. Because 4+4 talk back. Ojowa, you see what they do. Because of your talky, fear not let you go house now. May you go see whether really they walk or not they walk. But now you dead there. No magic see. No even now we see. You not go. What did they just tell you? Whether they want to put you for problem or you not know. You just run come and you can't tell us say, see what your basek na in a bad head. Not be your mate safe. Not be your mate. 4+4, he go bar, he must bar because obviously say so wrong. And not be the talking before. You now understand. The time where lucky Benedioko not do anything. Obviously say wa berenia wa be work but not be so. Mona live van. Why see no equal aware people like can. I work in your bow only that market we just do a low. Person where they pay 2,500 every day. Because they pay 500. I don't want me now small, everything go better. I beg my brothers and sisters, and I know say me I know they get time to they take time like that, me job because all these things what they do, we they see our eye don't open. Thank God say social media day, we they see everything, we they see we they see what they go on. And I go say you want go house, Mona can't vote for them, and Mona can't donate for them. You want go do government, Omagijo, where the money you not carry account. That one not be corruption. That one is still corruption. Stealing by trick. That one is still stealing by trick. If person tell you now, you go say, where that woman wanna go find her con? It's the truth of the matter. You not can go. People believe in you. Even me say, I will believe say you they really want to go. You not go. But you come out for social media. Because they give us fake information. Wrong one. Thank God, say many people don't they know say you know they give people information, good information now fake one. Oh, they are all happy. Thank you. You know, see market women with all then they because they pay them. Before they know they pay. Now so even my auntie say go say na pensioner. They know they pay. They just oh the 6 months. They just they know they pay. Now they happy. Eh? And then they see everything. Even what they call this school self. I don't something like what I don't forget the name. Say where they show. See as they do everything. See as they make everything they fine. About say they try. Eh? Mona leave and me suffer. They do this something. Eh? Mona leave and they don't want leave and for them. No, they say no go school. Okay, no go school. Good. But why you fair bring and come say go school? Eh? Because we don't know where everything they go. Me see the talker. Now Tony Kabaka and I tell Oshomole say, my money, you say make I work for now. I work for now. Now must give me my money. Oshomole go say back like you wouldn't no get vaiwa. Nine. Eh? Nine na. Nine be that. Nine be the. I go say breaking news. That's why they talk this our power dey for where they for America. In no 1 year they don't tell us say may not be say may tax because nobody fit tax. May not be everything where person tell you now you they carry come. Eh? Especially when you know they go there. When you know they go there because now people now they tell you. It just be like now when you just carry phone say how this side be. This one go tell you how it be. The other one go tell you not come know the one where you go come be truth. Eh? But you not go there. Because now what they tell you, it go come out, it go come they tell us say, Obaseki know they walk, Obaseki know they do this one. But people where it go, they see what they do small, not small, but they do one. Eh? It they do one. Because the man even the fear self. Because we bring the money, share the money, he say no go share. Because some man here give you one we like here. Una know na. Technical school na true not be life. You see our man not dollar here. I think now you technical that they call that side. I see the video. When I come see wow, see us everywhere fine. Not be about say he still do that one. I still do one. You see they do road they go. See where you get where this man show one man for I don't forget his name. I see where they pray for Obaseki. If they do the road they go. Eh? See road okay, mona see all this the time where Shomole coin they do road. If you see the road where Shomole do, hell salobua. Me still they talk on whether or not sabi do more people there abroad. If you see road where they do for abroad, they'll do the road for maybe they don't do the road for 10 years. You go still there nothing they do. Because our they'll just put some our more concrete, our region, they'll put out for them. Small railway go drop for it, go just come out for grant. That will not be wasting of money. Eh? That will not be wasting of money. The road, all the road where Oshomole do, which one still there? Which one still there? Now be the something. Okay, I still see the work where Obaseki they do that time. This road, I don't forget the area where water go they pass. That one not be work. Now work. But they don't want me. Don't say better. That be the problem. Benin Technical College. Thank you. They don't want me do anything. They don't want me because they want me do us more. Then you bring the rest come. Make they take food their pocket. Who care whether other people go eat? Now they are College of Education. Anyway, Collins, may you say Van, you know, say me, I know they can so. Now me they talk so, even though say Obaseki not come for second term, problem not there. But wetin they do and I make me come here, come talk, wetin they do I want my, wetin they do I want my, wetin. Let's say carry money. Let's say Obaseki really carry money. He give them. You not go see Tony Kabaka for social media. Go the present. Go say he do well. He do this one. They do everything. Go the present. Now that Tony Kabaka on just that one just they pay me pass. You will collect even a health money for Oshomole hands because you will talk and say now Oshomole now bring you come out for a side sheet. I tell you, bring you come out for a side sheet because he give you even a health money. e no still reach you. Una ya gwalove. Omabunse. Now you are gwalo. See the find another one, find another one, find another one. See where another one can carry you go now. See where another one can carry you go now. See Ring Road. I said Ring Road, fine. If you reach Ring Road, randomly may you try, may you bet ticket, may you go look area. I say everywhere they find. If they do one now, gradually, they do everything they come. Not be the one where you come they shout for social media. Mona, you want to go Nigeria, you want to go, Mona can donate for her. I want to go do governor Mau. Money where they give you, you put all everything for pocket. You can't say you dey fight for corruption. Because all this thing where they do, sometimes I just look and say, now people where even they donate, because me I not fit come and say, Mona not donate for them because not be my money. But if you say me person donate for you, make sure say you do the thing. Make sure say you do one. If you not do one, you see you be now corruption. Because you say you dey fight for corruption, but you they do that kind of thing, which is very bad. Me I block this one self. He say shut up, go and cook. Me I block you because I don't need nyama people. Me I dey tell a parent no me go the truth. Now we be bad head. Now no dey tell them the truth. No dey tell them the truth. Now make now nothing. He with his brother come quarrel because of una way no dey tell them the truth. His brother even tell them the truth. You know see? But you now where you come right for here now. Me I block you. I say Mota, me I just block you. I not get your time. Now me they thought to have been another person. Me I block you. I not get your time. Because people like una. Now they do anyhow. They not tell them the truth. Una go they go Nigeria all the time. But he no go fit go. He no go. I bet my brothers and sisters, me I leave una for this one because now no say all this wetin they do anyhow. People, you must tell person the truth. If you not tell now, you know say they do. Like this one where random go carry con. Like say no even carry and con. I for not even come talk to her. I for not even come. Not carry our father con social media. Anything where you do, you not use and send you message. Keep on. They not ask you. They not ask you. Because na son say they do as small now, they carry con. Na son say they carry con small before na come enter inside. I must tell you the truth. If you like, you take her. If you not like, not take her. Better go tell you. So now be that one. I don't block that one. Don't block that Semota. Don't block her. Nah, because Omabunse no gbọ́ that thing. Ye yogbo yogwe. Me where they talk. So I said that if me get that Tony Kabaka hotel, then you go lock your backbone under the mango tree. Omabunse, what you defend they go? You walk follow and you walk follow on your maggie. You not be youth again. You don't pass youth. I don't block that one. That one na mozuo. Mozuo na ave man na gugwa ne ho. When they come, they don't. My brothers and sisters, me I leave una time don't go. I just say me I just rush through this one because I celebrate with Obaseki. I celebrate with you, Ipa. I celebrate with you because you try. You not easy at all. You try. Not your boss. The one where they draw a leg, they draw a leg. The one where they draw an ear, they draw an ear. The one where you want shook something for your eye, want shook something for your eye. The one where you just they draw for where they draw for social media, they draw. Waiting. Not be person it be. If you na even dead there, say you there and no me go dead there, say you go worse pass you go worse pass Obaseki. When they tell na say money can't donate, wetin say one go do, not go do. No, not see, and that one not be. Now be the truth. Now they matter no where. How you tell person say money donate for me? I want go contest. Later you know do. Not be the corruption with the talk so. Like that one where you come they say in be a motor. That one don't block your head. I bet money go sleep, my brothers and sisters. Me I leave una do well. Congratulations to all that is 4+4 Togba. Congratulations to una. Because agba iwe ga vie Obaseki se owie sese me abi owie sese Tony Kabaka you be owie sese una lolowie go na ho owie sese here ba mi go because of money. I beg. I agree to una good night, una sleep well. Oshomole is the best. Oshomole is the best. Oshomole, Oshomole do something. Not be say Oshomole not do. I not come here come talk say not do something. You understand? The time where Oshomole come, where they destroy everywhere, they build everything, where they do road they go. Nobody say Oshomole, but what he do, he not good. When we still talking. What he do now not good because now you carry person come. Now you say the person go school. I play am for na not just now. Now you say go school. Now you say paper correct. But when you come say now, you not bring money come. You can't tell us say paper not correct. Say you not feel. Now that one I not like. I know the like person when no gbe you gbe na get baba. You just leave and make finish waiting you want finish. Nah, the time we show more like come. You celebrate with Ize Yamu. Ize Yamu na still Benin person. Now still over here though, it not do me anything. You understand? But that one a pastor. If that one just come now, oh God. Me I not just go that side. Me I not go that side because and I know me go fair use math say spoil that one before. Even the what did they call it Shomole. If I say he say no I beg all this thing me I forget. Me I forget, you understand? Oshomole now they destroy everybody they go now with Iranomigo fake pastor. Now that one come a pastor. What the pastor they do for? I don't even know, sha. Anyway, no problem. Now that one I see Bini. Anybody way come be Bini. Where I not come they follow we go come they beat Bini. No. Especially where the person not even do anything. Obaseki, what Obaseki do there? Wetin Obaseki do there? Una see and talk because he not bring money come. Maybe they talk true now. Let's say bring money we for not the year this story. We for not the year round. We for not the year. He not bring money come. Wanna see the reason na. Now money na they cause katakata, na they cause quarrel. If you na ask her now say, if you na ask Oshomole, say Oshomole with Tony Kabaka, wanna just tell us what really happen. Now money will not carry come. Not be say not they work. Now money, omamugore na guy. Now ain't be the problem. If he bring money come and they will support him. Since you not bring and we work for you. Now me not say it say irregulation. Irregulation. You not come pay. So go say otowo. Now be the truth. Now the truth. If you not like, you not take if you not like. As for me, that's so me I reason and so na my opinion and na the truth of the matter. And we go, hey. Anyone that even the vote whether they vote for Nigeria be more natural with that side even the vote whether they vote no yeah okay now the what you call now Yamu Fenwe who know said that I beg me will not go that side a vote now better vote than they vote for that side and they tell they vote for Nigeria and so they tell they vote for abroad for you no someone will leave that side. As far as say they don't carry Obaseki put for there, say make sure say na him go win, destroy all the votes, other people votes. Make sure, they'll just leave Obaseki may a day. Let me they talk. Not be as they say they vote for our country, now so they say they vote for another country. So we know that all of them, even though say people not go, people go. Like this voting when they want to do now, they don't know who wants to, they don't even know who wants to win. No, so there's a big regulation. I beg you. Okay, you say you not come tell me say no share money for PDP. That one na their headache. You share money you not share money not be down, not because of that one I dey here. You understand? The one because of the one where I dey here now I just talk so. If you share Mona ask Tony Kabaka say which work you work follow Obaseki. On that one say Mona go ask. Mona ask him. He help and push more to abi help and the wash house. On that one. If you like the because wetin me I dey talk, wetin me I dey talk, we that our country we get money well well. We get money. It's just that who they eat and I they eat am. They not care for others, which is very bad. Is that a Yamo win? Na so they do am. Anyone wey he win, may he win. People destroy people. People destroy people. BDP. That one no, me I not there for that one. All party na the same. I first tell una say even this side self they see they do one. You will see say some this one go come out, go the other side. The other one go come out. Now so now they all them be all the now they be the same. They be the same. But who go work now go work. Now so me I dey talk my own. The party no party no party na they be the same. If you share money for PDP, that one na their own, na you. But if you share money, so far may work. So far may work. That's what you not talk because me I not talk say you share money. You share money for PDP. If you not share, But waiting me I dey talk say, waiting that they call her Tony Kabaka. As Oshomole don't fair give her money for the first time. Oh, gbe. Na not the year waiting I dey talk. Oh, gbe. If I not see what you see. Now that one me I know. If I leave go say okay, I don't still collect my own. You know say they collect their own. Go still leave other people. But on my home, those people where walk followed follow waiting they call on Shomole. They make noise. Now they hear their noise. No, now only Tony Kabaka now we can't they hear that time. So me with the talk true. I think I can't be. So anybody where win, he win. Even though he say Yamu come, he win no good. So far may he do something. So far may he do one. Not because I say you do good for me. You can't they remote me like telecommand, remote control. You go they remote, you go they put me for this side. They remote. Now not see the same way Oshomole they as it they do Obaseki that time. Now so it they do now. I bet my brothers and sisters, me I live now. I know say this Collis, I know say na Nigeria. Anyone where you like, may you dey. There be two of them are Bini. You understand? Anyone. Two of them be Bini. You know say Bini person fair come before. He not do anything. So as another Bini still come now say he want still try best. So they go leave am make they do. Abi? Woman go na meroji. So na be that one. No more Godfather. I give me a Godfather. So may they leave am, may they do something, may they repair that country, may they do something, really, may they do. Not be say you see some people you go they sick. If you read that, you say you not go hospital, you go say you not get money. It they happen for abroad. No. So may they do something. Now that one let me they talk. Me I know they for say this and that. May they do something. Because some people because of 5,000 no fit go hospital because he not get. But people wey get they use they just carry that our money they chop pound. They not even care for another people. I beg him. Anyone, my brother. Okay, like you now, Collins, where you say na is there Yamu na ife win before. Why Tony Kabaka can't rig the election? You not ask yourself. Not be money matter. Okay, I saw Donny. May we leave that side. This Yamuna not be with Tony Kabaka and Oshomole and I consider. Not see there. Now because of money matter. Okay, is there Yamu then they say as you they talk and I say na win before. They come pass on to Obaseki. Who do that one? Not be Oshomole. Oh, I beg this Oshomole, I beg. Me I leave una mona go sleep. Time don't go. I agree to now. So anybody will like him win. But for this one, I just congratulate Governor Obaseki as he take come off for the good because Obungbe ma. Obungbe no good again. So my brothers and sisters, mona good night. One love, mona sleep well. Greeting to everybody. So Paranomigo. anything where they come for palace, not they carry on social media. I beg. Now for your own now they tell you. Before they come tell you, so maybe you can answer question. Because not be everything where person tell you, you can say, hey, when I know what happen, they say palace no name you. They say no, not be everything. Even person where even tell you say, they give her land. That one not get social media. Okay. You say you know why I don't like Obaseki? Really? Since Kosi they fight for Edo State, this Edo State, this Obaseki never talk about her. Okay. I know my brother, you know, say I don't know as I tell una no say me I not be a politician. You know, say everybody get wetin e belong to. Obaseki no fit dey here, dey there, dey the other side, dey the other side. Now I make them they know say even for years and I make them they get you say if you go commune now, many of una that is commune with the call them court. If you go commune now, if you not see the head of what is they call what is they call as I talk you must see person wey different. I don't know as I tell una. If you go commune now, you'll see this one where they the charge of this one where they in charge of that, this one where they you know Obaseki no fit dey here, dey there, dey the other side, dey the other side, dey the other side. Now I make them they see vice this that you understand. So not be everything we go see they put for Obaseki head. You understand? Mona still they understand me. I don't know as I talk. Not be everything. Say person wey not see food, wey not fit pay house rent, go say na Obaseki cause am. This one go say na Obaseki. We still get people wey we go still they use them till they say now you cause am o. Why you not talk put? Why you not do this one? Not be everything go see they say Obaseki na governor. They get people where they work follow am. You understand? So that one I be the wetin talk just now. That one we talk about say where I hate Obaseki. You know feel hate am. You understand? No hate am because you know fit dey for ace and land. You go see there for Benin. You go see there for the other side. You go see there for the other side. No, now people na him put for there where go they do all those things where you know because not being go they do all these things. You understand? Not being go they do am. People dey there. Obaseki no fit do everywhere. So my people, now be that. So maybe me Edo State good now everybody dey. Like say good now we go come dey enjoy. Now that one so only one person not dey eat the money. If they give you money, may take do something. Here working and now I bet you go still do wetin they tell you say you do. Not be the one where you just busy. You carry the money, they do what you want supposed to do. Whether Obaseki give the PDP money or not give that one I don't know because I don't know as they say they join as they say they join the party as they say they come out. I don't know that one. But if you go Benin, ask many people, they will tell you say they still need Obaseki again. Now that one me I know. So my brothers and sisters, if it's there Yamu win good. If Obaseki come again, good. So family they live there for waste. Nothing say if Ize Yamu still there. If he not give money way promise, they will still tell una say not the work. Mona go maka. Now Naira Nomigo go first talk and say breaking news. Breaking news. Now not yet say Ize Yamu is not working. Is that Yamu they use the money? I bet my brothers and sisters may I live una be mona they tell a parent amigo may he suffer they talk and my maladia will know no nya na be that. So I greet everybody. I have said it. Let everybody go go and mark today. Man with the see now, it's not going to work. It's coming. It's coming to carry the money. Okay now. No problem. Now as soon as no say me I talk me I say Collins. The time was Shomole come. You go remember. Everybody now show Baba now that they talk. He work for the first time. The second time no work. He carry money, carry and go where he want carry and go his wife country. So me I don't know if Obaseki come for the second time say he no go work. I don't know. But people say he dey try. He missed it. They talk only that market wey he just do that one. Say market people now then they vote. Person wey dey pay 2,500, come dey pay 500. You go knock one in your real lawa. Oh yo. Serena. Me I leave una. Time don't go. Time don't go. Good night. Aloha Sonny. Good night, my people. Now bye bye. I don't still talk today. Me no dey support Eranomi. Because if they do something, na no one thing. See me no dey support Eranomi because it's not good. Because if he can't carry our palace come now, another person will use ear all the who bring her come, they'll say na Eranomi. Now through me they talk. Because like that on Moswo just now where I block that one no understand what because if na Eranomi they'll say talker. They'll constantly put our palace. So now that one I mean not like if they do wetin they do share the money when they do that one make they not carry palace come here because na Eranomi go na talk and say our papa give Tony Kabaka big land. So mona go sleep my brothers and sisters. Una hear well, una good night, mona sleep well. See you again for my next audio. Anybody will like me, but for me I celebrate with Obaseki for wetin I see today. Because wetin they do is not good. Okay now, Collins. Anyhow. Okay now, bye bye, my brothers and sisters. Good night. Good night, everybody. Mona sleep well. Bye bye. Now do well for being there. Thank you. Now do well. That's why I can't see the. Okay now, bye bye. Watch out. Now good night. I'll come maybe next time. We'll just still talk. We'll just still joke. Okay now, bye bye.